Welcome to the best picks. The best bolt bins is probably one of the most underrated tools for any shop owner or DIY enthusiast. Imagine a workspace where every screw, bolt, and washer has its designated spot, readily accessible and neatly organized. That's the promise of a good bolt bin system. In this video, we'll dive into the world of bolt bins, exploring what makes them essential for shop organization and efficiency. Number 5. MaxWorks 8069430 Bin Wall Mount Parts Rack. Tired of losing track of your nuts, bolts, and screws? This rack is designed to keep all your small parts organized and within reach. It's the perfect solution for any workshop or home. This storage system is perfect for a variety of small items. Whether it's nails, beads, or buttons, it can handle it all. The bins are easily removable, so you can take them wherever you need them. Built with a sturdy frame, this rack is made to last. It can hold a wide assortment of items without any issues. You can rely on it to keep your items safe and secure. It includes 18 small red bins, each holding up to 2 pounds, and 12 blue bins that can hold up to 3.5 pounds. This variety ensures you have the right size for all your needs. The black peg panel easily mounts to your wall. It's a must-have for any home, workshop, or garage. Please note that mounting hardware is not included. What we like. This wall-mounted rack is designed to save space and keep your workspace organized. Its removable bins make it easy to grab what you need and take it with you. If you have a small workshop or garage and want to maximize your wall space, this is a great option. What people say. It's simple and easy to set up any way you want to do it, and it holds the weight really well. The trays are large enough that he can get stuff out of them without any problems. They hold up great and helps organize his nuts, bolts, nails, etc. Number 4. TRINITY EcoStorage Rolling Bin Rack. This mobile bin rack from TRINITY is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for garages, offices, or anywhere you need to organize. The dual-sided design maximizes storage space and keeps everything easily accessible. This commercial-grade rack is built to last. The orange bins can hold up to 2 pounds each, and the gray bins can hold up to 4 pounds. It's designed to handle heavy use and meet the demands of commercial environments. With 94 color-coded plastic storage bins, staying organized is a breeze. The bins easily attach to the rack, making it simple to store tools, crafts, or any small items. This system helps you keep everything in its place. The rack features 4 wheels, 2 locking and 2 non-locking, for easy mobility. It has a durable black powder coat finish. Assembled, it measures 19.75 x 35.5 x 48.5 and is designed for indoor use. You don't need any tools to assemble this rack, and it takes only about 20 minutes. The package includes the bin rack, 64 orange bins, 30 gray bins, and 4 wheels. The box weight is 71 pounds. What we like. This rolling bin rack offers both mobility and ample storage. With its high weight capacity and color-coded bins, it's perfect for organizing a wide variety of items. If you need a versatile storage solution that can be easily moved around your shop, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect for organizing Raspberry Pi Arduino breadboarding parts. Fits very well in my classroom and moves very nicely on wheels. It arrived quickly and had no damage at all. Super easy to assemble, less than 30 minutes. I love the color scheme and size of the containers. Just perfect for my needs. I've researched several different options to get the most storage with a small footprint that is also visually appealing, and this is the winner. Number 3. Garage Organization Rack with Bins. This garage storage system is incredibly versatile. You can use it in various areas of your home, such as the garage, playroom, or craft room. It's perfect for organizing hardware, toys, or small parts. The open design of each bin makes it easy to grab what you need. You don't have to remove anything from the panel board. These bins also attach and detach seamlessly for easy loading and unloading. Mount the black peg panel board almost anywhere in your garage or workshop. Its streamlined design allows the bins to sit on the board in different configurations. This provides custom storage options. The smooth plastic construction ensures these bins can withstand frequent handling. The surfaces are easy to wipe down, making cleanup a breeze whenever needed. The rack is made of carbon steel and comes with removable, stackable plastic bins. The dimensions are listed on screen. It is a great tool organizer for your home. What we like. This garage organization rack is designed for easy access and effortless cleaning. The open design allows you to quickly grab what you need, while the smooth plastic construction makes cleanup a breeze. If you are looking for a simple and practical solution for your garage or workshop, you should consider this. What people say. Lots of use out of these. No problems. The bins themselves are relatively sturdy and a good size for smaller items like nails, screws, bolts, etc. Plenty of bins and easy to install. Number 2. King's Rack Boltless Steel Storage System with Bins. Introducing the King's Rack Storage System. It's designed to help you organize your space efficiently. This system comes with everything you need to get started. The unit measures 33 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and 36 inches high. It's a perfect size for various rooms and storage needs. This size makes it versatile for different spaces. It features 12 plastic bins arranged in 4 tiers. This setup provides ample storage for small items. You can easily sort and access your belongings. Alternatively, you can arrange the bins in 3 tiers with 9 bins, leaving floor space. This flexibility allows you to customize the storage. It adapts to your specific needs. Each bin is 10 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and 6 inches high. The bins are the perfect size for storing various items. They are designed for easy access and organization. The system has a boltless design for easy installation. You can set it up in minutes without any tools. It's quick and simple to assemble. It includes a particle board tabletop at a height of 36 inches. This provides a convenient surface for additional storage or display. The top adds extra functionality. What we like. This boltless steel storage system is quick and easy to set up, saving you time and effort. It offers a sturdy and organized storage solution with a convenient particle board top. If you are looking for a simple and quick storage solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The bins are sturdy and well made. The clear bins make it easy to see what's inside. The bins are stackable, which saves space. Number 1. Durham 350-95 Steel 72 Opening Bin. This is the Durham 350-95 steel bin. It's a great solution for organizing small parts. The bin is made of durable cold-rolled steel. The bin features all welded construction for maximum strength. This ensures it can withstand heavy use. It's built to last. The bin fronts are fully hemmed to hold labels and retain parts. This design makes it easy to identify and access the contents. It's a practical and efficient storage solution. Roll-formed sides provide increased strength and stability. This design enhances the bin's overall durability. It's built to handle a variety of items. This bin is modular and compatible with other 9 deep bins. This allows you to customize your storage system. You can easily expand it as needed. Each bin measures 4 inches wide, 4.5 inches high, and 8.375 inches deep. This provides ample space for organizing your items. It's a compact and efficient storage solution. What we like. This all-welded steel bin offers durability and a professional look. The hemmed bin fronts are designed to hold labels and retain parts. If you are looking for a durable and reliable storage solution for your shop, this is a great choice. What people say. The bins are well made and sturdy. The clear bins make it easy to see what's inside. The bins are stackable, which saves space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.